Alright, we're going to show you how deep the snow is in one part of the yard and how not deep it is in the other. Here's one part of the yard. We can see all the grass. And then Alex is going to demonstrate how deep it is in another part. That's actually where the pool is.
That's about how deep it is. It might be deeper over here.
Okay, all set?
Yes, ow.
Come on, Bullet. Alright, come on.
Hey, Bullet. Hey, Bullet.
Get some nice drifts over here. If you want to.
That's past my knees. That's past my knees.
Alright, can you climb over?
Ow.
Just climb over.
It's not as easy as it looks. And I'm gonna have to.
Alright, let's go. Alright, that's it. That's our snow video. Come on, Bullet.